Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to execute multiple commands on one single line. So imagine because I'm already in my desktop, if I want to go back 3 directories, so cd like that, then I want to print out, and maybe I want to go back to my desktop, and I've actually got a shortcut and alias for that, so feel free to check out that video, which is desktop, and I want to do ls-l. So I want to do these commands in this order. So what you can actually do, so I'm going to clear the screen, is do the first command, then put a semicolon, and then what I want to put is ls, then semicolon again, then desktop. So this alias, again, the desktop command probably won't work for you because I've got an alias, but feel free to put the either cd, the desktop directory, or some other command here. And if I do ls-l, and if I click enter to that, so what we get, cd has gone back to 3 directories, then it's printed off this, then it's gone to my desktop, then it's printed out the desktop contents with the -l command, which has a thorough in-depth information of everything that is there. And that's it. One thing to bear in mind is these commands, the next commands will get run regardless of the status of the previous commands. If you only want them to be run once the previous command has successfully finished, just put $ampersand. So with this, it doesn't really matter too much, but imagine if you have some sort of command that is copying a file, then you're renaming it. But obviously, you only wanted to, rename it if it successfully copies. Otherwise, what is it renaming? It's renaming nothing. So based on that, if you use a $ampersand, I would say that's probably the best way to go regardless. But you can use a semicolon if you're not fussed about the previous command successfully finishing. But that is one way that you can run multiple commands on one single line. And it's also great if you want to essentially only run the next command if the previous command has successfully finished. So that is it. Any questions, as usual, feel free to pop me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.